Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mix Flip is one among the goods that the company highlighted during today's launch event. The Chinese company's first clamshell smartphone is this one. Let's see the new smartphone's features, capabilities, specifications, and cost in depth. The Xiaomi Mix Flip's appearance is the result of careful consideration by Xiaomi. The phone has a sleek appearance thanks to two vertically aligned camera cutouts on the back. The large covered display is the focal point, though. The panel, which extends over the top back portion of the phone, gives it a contemporary appearance and a respectable size that sets it apart from other clamshell phones on the market. Because it weighs only 192 grams, the phone is made to be comfortable to handle. 3 color options are available: purple, black, and white. The 4.01-inch covered display of the Xiaomi Mix Flip has a 1.5K resolution and a maximum brightness of 1600 nits. It is shielded by dragon crystal glass for added durability. When the phone is opened up, a larger 6.5-inch screen with 1.5K resolution, a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, and a peak brightness of 1600 nits is revealed, providing exceptional outdoor visibility. With a 50 megapixels primary sensor and a 50 megapixels telephoto sensor, both branded by Leica, the phone has a dual back camera configuration that ensures excellent photography. A 16 megapixels camera on the front is available for video calls and selfies. The top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU powers the Xiaomi Mix Flip, providing exceptional performance. For added cooling, Xiaomi included a vapor chamber in the phone. A 4780 mAh battery that enables 67-watt fast charging powers the phone. Out of the box, it has HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. Visit Xiaomi's official website for additional details. The Xiaomi Mix Flip's base model, which comes with 256 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM, is priced at about $825. The Mix Flip presents itself as a promising clamshell smartphone in the market at this pricing. Its large covered display, which improves functionality while also lending a contemporary feel, is its most notable feature. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset guarantees optimal performance, while the 4780 mAh battery lasts for a respectable amount of time between charges, thanks to 67-watt fast charging. All things considered, the Xiaomi Mix Flip is a strong option for anyone searching for a fashionable and capable foldable smartphone, because it blends cutting-edge appearance, powerful specs, and affordable price. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.